and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making some rustic farmhouse stockings that you can hang on your mantle. Here's a little clip of how I made the pattern. We just have 2 pieces of copying paper, an old sock, and some scissors. Just lay it on there, cut out the top part, the bottom part, tape it together for the length that you would like your stocking, and there you go. You got yourself a pattern. Now you could use any kind of socks to make this pattern. It doesn't matter. And you could use a measuring stick or a ruler to make it wider or longer, ever how you would like it. And I think I got an example here to show you of the first one. Okay, that number 1 is my first attempt. That was a long skinny sock. Number 2 was the second attempt. And here we go. This is one of the stockings that we made. Alright, I'm going to go into a little more detail and show you. Okay, now this fabric is some white fabric that someone gave me, and it's very thin. So what I did for this one is cut out 2 and then cut out 2 again. And I glued those first 2 together. And that glue I'm using, that is a fabric hot glue stick made for fabric. And that is a low temp glue gun. So I'm not burning my hands with that glue. It does not go on as easy as some of the other glues. Okay, that top picture up there, I was showing you where I got that striped material. Was just an old pair of shorts someone gave me. They're polo, so it was really nice material. In this clip, we've got pinking shears, and we're using those pinking shears to clean up the edges because we're not sewing. We're not turning it inside out. Oh, this clip, I tried to delete it, but it wouldn't go away. Okay, so now I'm cleaning all the extra threads off so we can put the embellishments on. The embellishments are what we cut out of that pair of shorts. And I'm going to show you another picture here of those shorts if I can. Let's see. Well, maybe not. Okay, so I just got some little cutouts. The top. Okay, I think that's going to be the toe. And then this is the pull string that was in the shorts. And we're going to use that for the hang it with. Now here I'm showing you some embellishments that you could use. These are some little angels. This is a little tassel. And some little vintage embroidered roses. Just anything you got around, you can embellish it with and make it look cute. Alright, let's get that hot glue gun and get to gluing. Alright, we got the top. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. And I just glued it on. I didn't turn it inside out or try to turn it under or anything. I just glued it right to it. Now, if you're going to put it together like this with this glue like this, I wouldn't use it for a stocking to actually stuff gifts into. I just use it for decor. It may be strong enough to hold, but I would not chance it unless it's something that's not breakable. This is just decor. See how I was taking my time? I wanted to make sure I had the stripes all in the right direction to give it more interest or more character. So I really like the lines on the heel going that way. And I'll leave a little extra hanging over so you can take those pinking shears and give it some really good detail. Oh, I found a little spot there I missed. Add some glue to it. There we go. See, that glue's not really, it's hot, but it didn't really like take my skin off or anything. Okay, we're going to trim that up with those pinking shears. If you don't have pinking shears, they really are fun to use when you're doing a no-sew project or when you're doing a project with materials that ravel. All right, there we go. Okay, we got all the edges cleaned up. And I'm trying to think of what type of embellishment I want to put on this. Missed another spot. That's a good thing about hot glue, man. You could just go in there and fix things up if you miss something. All right, look. I missed that edge. Let me go back and get that. And you can't tell it in that clip there, but I did hit myself in the head with those pinking shears. Oh. Pinking shears do cut a little differently than regular scissors. As far as, you know, the grip. See how I have to open them? Okay, here's the embellishment that I decided to go with. I decided to use the stamps and spell out joy. But I kept thinking, what if I mess up my stamp on my stocking? And, you know, and I've already got it all put together. So what I did is I got an extra piece of fabric, stamped it on that, and then stamped the fabric onto my stocking. That way I would have more chances of messing up. I could fix it. Here's another one I did with the all stripe, and I put the white collar, toe, and heel on that one. And you'll see that in the picture. There it is. See it with that lace on it? Isn't that pretty? That last one, I got a beautiful pearl brooch on that one. That turned out real good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.